Good day, mate! In this video, we will try the world champion V60 technique with the world champion V60 technique. Hario official recipe combined with James Hoffmann V60 technique. Let's get into it! So basically, Hario V60 official recipe is very easy to understand and easy to practice. Okay, 5-pour V60 technique. We will combine the recipe and the technique from Hario and James Hoffmann. Okay, let's brew our coffee. Okay, prepare our water first. And in this video, we will use this coffee, signature blend by Mayung Coffee Roastery. Okay, we will use 20 grams of coffee. As mentioned in the Hario official channel, we have to grind our coffee a bit coarser than usual. Okay. Just a bit coarser, like you see here. Okay. In my grinder, it's number 3. Okay. Let's prepare our V60 coffee brewer. As usual, I will use 01 by Hario, of course, because I like Hario, and this is Hario official recipe as well. So, don't forget the tips. Make the crease. Boom. Open it. Push to the center. And fold. Fit perfectly. Rinse it for better extraction. Okay, as mentioned by Hario, we will use 3 times of the coffee weight because this is 20 gram and this is a 5-pour V60 technique. We will use 60 gram of water, 60 gram of water, 60 gram until it reaches 300 milliliter of total water. 60 gram for blooming. Of course, we bloom. Okay, pour from the center to the outer bed of coffee. Okay, like James Hoffmann did, we swirl. Forgot the timer. Okay, we let the coffee bloom for around 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds, 60 milliliter of water. As usual, we pour it from the center to the outer layer of the bed and swirl. And like James Hoffmann did, you can always use spoon as well. Okay, stir it. Alright, because the coffee grind size is a bit coarser, the drawdown of the coffee is much faster, but not fast, okay? It's good amount of water flow, good amount of drawdown. We see the surface of the coffee ground, 60 gram, 180, swirl again. Next pour, 240. You see the surface of the coffee? Pour the last pour, 300. Okay, the brew is finished. 5 minutes, exactly 5 minute brewing time. Okay, we let the coffee cool down first. Okay, so we can get the greater picture of the coffee taste in it. Smells amazing. So because this coffee is very fruity coffee, natural, Arabica, I always use a 1:17 ratio because of Todd Carmichael from La Colombe Coffee Company, because he is the OG man. But let me try the Hario. He is the OG also, okay? The Hario company is the OG V60. Why not try with the champion recipe as well? Okay, let's have a taste. Okay. Damn, cat! Want a coffee? Cat need to chill. Alright. Oh. Okay. Nice. This recipe and technique pairs very perfect with the coffee. Okay, because signature blend is very sweet and very fruity coffee. This technique and recipe produce more intense V60 cup. I think I nailed the grind size. Because as far as I know, with this kind of technique and recipe, you will not find the complexity you want because you grind too coarse, okay? You should dial your coffee taste by the grind size. Maybe from the earlier we brew the coffee, you see 5-minute brewing time is very good of this recipe. Bro, you should try this one. If you have tried the technique and the recipe itself, leave the comment below. And I want to hear what you think about this recipe and technique. Okay? See you in the next one.